Hey everybody, what's up? Fred here with EcomCatalyst. So if you're being impacted by the new quote Amazon rate limit alert banner on your Amazon search pages, well, I'm here to tell you all about that. It's just been happening the last couple of days. Every time I go to search on Amazon, I get a big yellow graphic banner that pops up and says Amazon rate limit alert. Your search activity is triggering Amazon's rate limits, which may result in some data appearing as quote N/A or not applicable or not available. Please slow your search frequency or wait a few minutes before trying again. So this is happening anytime I go and I try to search, and I kind of think that it has something to do with some of the extensions and tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10, because when I go into an incognito browser or into a private tab in Safari, I do not get the problem. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. It looks a little bit like this. Now you can see on my screen here, I just for the fun of it, I'm searching best creatine supplements. And when I do that, right away, I get Amazon rate limit alert. Your search activity is triggering Amazon's rate limits, which may result in some data appearing as NA. Slow down your search frequency or wait a few minutes. And nothing that I do tries to work. And as you can see here, I've got my Helium 10 app plugged in, and I try to go to show full summary, and typically it's going to list all the products on page one of this search, and I can search by brand, I can search, but there's just no data here. Everything is broken. Now I've come in and I've turned off Data Dive, I've turned off Jungle Scout, I've turned off Helium 10, trying to find out what would happen. And the worst thing is, I thought maybe, just maybe, this was just me. Like maybe I'm the guy who's dealing with this, but it was happening to me at home on my home office computer. It was happening to me here. And then our staff here at EcomCatalyst in our office, it was happening to them as well. So not thinking so much that I'm all by myself. So what I decided to do is just drop a little comment over on LinkedIn, on my LinkedIn personal profile, which I would love for you to follow. Check out the link in this description, and I will give you a link to that. It's simply LinkedIn, and you can find Fred McKinnon there. So when I go to LinkedIn, I just was curious, I was going to see if anybody else had the same problem. And so you can see my post here. Hey, is anyone else getting this? Is anyone else getting this on Amazon? And I talk about it, and I showed a little screenshot of it. Well, here we go. It's just been a few minutes, few hours since I posted that, but people are chiming in right away. Yes, that they're having the problem. So finally, I decided to come over to Helium 10 and talked to Helium 10, and sure enough, man, what they're telling me here, and it doesn't look like, I'm going to be able to share that unless I get myself out of the way. Let's move ourselves out of the way. And it does kind of truncate this a little bit, but the essence of this screen share, it's way over here where you can't quite see, chopping off, but this is Helium 10's tech support saying, we apologize for the inconvenience. We're currently aware of an ongoing issue with the Helium 10 Chrome extension. Our team is actively working to resolve it as quickly as possible. There's no estimated time for resolution yet. Rest assured that our developers are working on it. Blah, blah, blah. So, this apparently definitely has to do with the Helium 10 plugin. Now, we're Helium 10 partners. It's in our every video. There's a link to sign up for Helium 10. We think it's the best tool to use on your platform. Highly recommend it. But there's definitely some issues going on right now that we hope that they'll, sort out, because it's been going on for a couple of days now. Again, it is called the Amazon rate limit alert, and you will see it, right there on your page when you're trying to search. If you're using Helium 10. So it looks kind of like that. Again, this big Amazon rate limit alert. If you're seeing that, you're searching YouTube for it, I want you to know I'm here for you. If you want somebody that's like engaged every single day, 24/7, living in the trenches for Amazon, how about hit that subscribe button? That's what I do here at this channel. We're a full service Amazon marketing agency. So yeah, here at EcomCatalyst, we deal with this stuff all day long. We help to grow brands and scale brands profitably on Amazon. Now, if that interests you, you're looking to have a partner in your back pocket that can really help you troubleshoot things like this and scale your grow your brand, check out the first link in this video description. It'll take you to EcomCatalyst. helium10.com. So I'll keep you updated on this. Make sure and hit EcomCatalyst.com. If you're not on the email newsletter, get on the email newsletter. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe right away. When this is resolved, I'll send out an update letting everyone know this resolved. I will also comment on this YouTube video when it's resolved. Hey, let's just have a little fun real quick, and let's just completely disable Helium-10, okay, and see what will happen. So I'm going to come over here real quick and hit Helium-10, and I'm just going to log out of it completely. Let's see. Don't have that option to log out. So I'm going to come up in my Chrome browser here, Helium-10. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, now the extension's turned off. And let's see what will happen if I refresh this screen now. The error goes away. So it's 100% definitely related to the Helium-10 extension. As you can see, I turned the Helium-10 extension off in Chrome and it's gone away. If I come back up here to the top and re-enable the Helium-10 extension by turning it on there, I get the rate limit alert. So, hopefully the good folks at Helium-10 are working on this to get it fixed as quickly as possible. That's what's going on. Hope this helps you. Hey, last thing, if you missed it, I just put out a video about the 2026 Amazon fee increases. That's right, they're increasing fees, taking more money from you. If you want to get the whole lowdown on that, go over and watch that video. I'll put it here on the end screen just as we finish up. Thanks for watching.